Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 5 plus x plus square root 5x plus x square is equals to 15 and we have to find the value of x. So before starting the video, I want to say something that if you have a doubt or a question, you can comment me and I will try to solve it as soon as possible. Thank you so much. So let's start with the today's video solution. So I'll take this 5 plus x to other side and I can write the equation as square root 5x plus x square is equals to 15 minus 5 minus x. Now square root 5x plus x square is equals to 15 minus 5 is 10 minus x. Now I'm doing squaring both sides. Under root 5x plus x square whole square is equals to 10 minus x whole square. So here with the help of this square root eliminates 5x plus x square is equals to, and here on the right hand side, we can use a very famous identity that is a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this gives us 10 square, that is 100, plus x square minus 2 times 10 times x is 20x. Now separate the variables. 5x plus x square minus x square plus 20x is equals to 100. We can cancel out this x square with x square. 5x plus 20x is 25x is equals to 100. If I'll divide both sides by 25, so x is equals to 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and comment also. Thank you.